Spoke is the modern internal ticketing system built for today's forward-thinking companies. Spoke helps deliver the on-demand workplace to teams across the organization. What does that mean? Every day, you and your colleagues use tools like Netflix, Amazon Prime, and Lyft in your personal life. They provide access to goods and services on demand. In the workplace, nobody wants to file tickets in a legacy portal or search through complex folder structures for answers. It shouldn't be so hard to get help. With Spoke's best-in-class Slack integration, there are multiple ways to create a ticket or access knowledge without leaving Slack. I'm going to start with a quick question. When a contractor visits the office, they may have to ask, "What's the guest Wi-Fi password?" Not only does Spoke give the right guest Wi-Fi password, but it actually sends the San Francisco guest Wi-Fi password. Because Spoke natively integrates with platforms like Bamboo HR and Namely, Spoke knows that I sit in San Francisco and can propose the answer most relevant to me. This request was resolved automatically, without bothering a human. That helped. Let's take another example where a short knowledge base article won't fix the problem. Ab, one of Spoke's account execs, had a great month. But in the process of celebrating the sales he's made, he spilled champagne on his laptop. Normally, he'd message the IT person out of embarrassment to get it fixed. Any admin knows how that feels. Not great. With Spoke, I can turn this direct message straight into a Spoke request. When I ask Spoke, it will not only create a request on Ab's behalf, but Spoke knows that this request is categorized as broken hardware. And it knows this without any words matching between what Ab wrote and the words broken hardware. What's amazing about using request types like broken hardware is that Spoke can ask for additional information to help with the repair. Here, we enter which computer type was broken and what caused the issue. This is captured at the time the request is filed, rather than having to wait for a reply from your end user. Now a final example. Let's say you're a hiring manager and you have a new employee starting in the next 2 weeks. Previously, onboarding was an arduous process, sending 10 emails to 10 different people, asking for everything from setting up desks, saving their W-2s, and background checks. With Spoke, cross-functional task management is as easy as filing a ticket. I can type, "I have a new hire starting in 2 weeks," and similar to the champagne example, Spoke can easily categorize the request and send it to the correct team. The HR team needs a bit of information to begin onboarding, so we're presented with a form. After the form is filled out, the team has the information it needs to get started. Stepping into the ticket in the Spoke web app, you can see all the answers to form questions on the right side. You can also see the mirrored thread from Slack regarding the naming snafu in the body of the ticket, and the list of tasks that are required for onboarding to be completed. Each team member who needs to complete a task will be notified of their specific action item. No need for multiple emails or switching between systems. Best of all, company-wide ticketing metrics are tracked all in one place. This gives you actionable data to move your business forward. And we've only scratched the surface. We'd love to show you more of Spoke and how easy it is to get started. Book a demo to learn how Spoke can work for you today.